What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Fake Bougie. Today, Bunny and I are going to show you all how to make some cute face masks at home out of natural ingredients. If you are interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But let's get right into it. Do you want some lip gloss?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to be using some Chobani yogurt, Greek yogurt. We got the coconut blend just because coconut is very good for your skin. We also have
strawberries.
Yep. And
honey.
And we will be using avocados as well because avocado is very good for your skin too. I'll also be using my blender for this. If you don't have a blender, you can like mix it yourself. That's perfectly fine. Are you gonna open the other yogurt for me?
Yeah.
So first we're gonna put our yogurt into the blender. Okay, good. Are you excited?
Yeah.
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 Okay, and we're both doing a facial, so that's why I got 2 yogurts. You can just stick that inside the yogurt cup. Yeah. And we got our matching robes. I ended up ordering these from Amazon. So now we're going to do the strawberries. I'll cut them and you can put them in to the mix. And then our avocado. So I used about 4 like dip-sized strawberries, 2 cups of the yogurt. You want to use a spoon and dig that out?
Yeah.
Quit eating stuff and just pour it in there. And I'm going to pour some honey in here. I'm going to do about 1 tablespoon of honey. And using the avocado is going to make the mask green. Using the yogurt is going to give it that mask-like consistency. Every little drop. I love avocado. Have you ever tasted avocado?
No.
You ever taste it?
No.
It's really yummy.
Fine.
Eat it. Swallow it. You don't like it?
No.
I eat avocados raw, like with tortilla chips. We can get to whipping in the blender. Press on. Press it hard. Yep. And then press 2. So I'm going to take a little bowl and just scoop it on. And we can actually freeze this and do another spot in the future. Okay. Are you ready? I'm going to put yours on and you can put mine on, okay?
Yay.
So we're going to use the back of the spoon like a paintbrush. Don't smile. I told you not to smile. Oh, it got on your eye.
It tastes good.
It does. Don't open. I don't know if I should let you put this on me. Okay.
It's okay.
It can get messy. All right, you want to do mine?
Mm-hmm.
Don't get it in my hair. The back of the spoon. Like you're painting. Hold it like a paintbrush. Oh my gosh, it is cold.
That's what it said. That's what I said. It is really cold. Oops.
I think it's already some over there.
And I got some of your eyelashes. Bend down.
Don't put it that close to my eye.
Side. Turn to the side, Mom.
Okay, do my forehead.
Don't do that.
Okay, come on.
No.
I'm not. I can feel it.
Oops.
And do the other side. Okay. So this was really fun.
What's a...
You missed like a whole, you didn't do none of this right here.
You didn't... You said don't go close to your eye, so I did.
This isn't my eye, this is my nose.
Well, how was I supposed to know?
That was a lot. We could have used one yogurt for both of our faces. And it's still like a good amount. Like one yogurt could probably do like 3 or 4 people. Easy. We have to do the lip scrub too. Do you want to make it now?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get the stuff. You stay right there. Okay, so the ingredients that we will be using for the lip scrub are sugar, honey. I usually use coconut oil, but we are out, so we're using olive oil and strawberries. And I'll show you what we use the strawberries for in 1 second. So, we are going to start with a sugar base. And you don't need that much. I'm just going to use 2 little tablespoons. Okay. Now, can you fill my spoon up with honey? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. That's enough. 1 tablespoon of honey.
Can I taste the honey?
A dash of olive oil, not too much. And we are going to mix it. And this is what it looks like. And we are just mixing. I like using coconut oil, 1 for the taste, and 2, the consistency is just really good. Now we are going to take the strawberries, and you are going to get one, and use the one that's according like to your mouth size. Here you go. I'll use this one. And you're just gonna, no, don't eat it. And you're just gonna cut a small piece off the tip, not too much. And you are gonna use this to scrub it on your lips. So, I'll go first. You just get it in there. Get a nice little dollop and dip it in. Get up in there, look. Get it messy. Because you are scrubbing. Close your mouth. You just want to eat it. There you go. You are scrubbing the dead skin off. In a delicious way. Okay, put your strawberry back in the bowl, or you can eat it. You're gonna eat the leaves. Okay, so now that we are done with our face mask and scrubbing our lips, we are gonna head into the bathroom so that we can rinse all this off. All right, so now we are in the bathroom. We have our face towels, and we are gonna rinse this off. Here's yours. It's still seeping through my teeth. My lips look really yummy. All clean.
Not there.
How does your skin feel?
Refresh.
Me too. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. That is all that we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed the video. I will list all of the ingredients as well as the link to these cute matching robes in the description box below.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can be a part of the Fake Bougie family. And as always,
Stay bougie.